Tired of doing the same boring tasks every single day? You're not alone. In 2025, smart creators, freelancers, and teams are turning to AI automation to take back their time and boost productivity like never before. Today, we're revealing the top 5 workflow automation tools you can start using right now. So, whether you're a solo hustler or running a team, this is your roadmap to smarter work in 2025. Let's start with the big picture. Why does workflow automation even matter? Because repetitive tasks, they kill creativity and waste hours. AI workflow automation steps in, handling the routine so you can focus on the meaningful. From emails and task planning to file sorting and client updates, AI can handle it all with precision and speed. Let's meet the tools making it happen. First up, Zapier. Think of it as the glue that connects all your favorite apps. Over 6,000 of them. Set up Zaps and watch workflows happen automatically. Got a new lead in Typeform? Zapier can send it to Google Sheets, ping you on Slack, and email a follow-up instantly. Next, ClickUp AI. ClickUp's already a powerhouse, but now with AI, you can auto-prioritize tasks, summarize project updates, and even generate to-do lists with a single click. It's like having a digital assistant baked into your workspace. Tool number 3, Make, formerly Integromat. This one's for the visual thinkers. Drag, drop, automate. From Gmail to Notion to calendars. Build complex automations without writing a single line of code. Tool 4, Notion AI. Your personal knowledge base just got smarter. Let Notion AI write blog posts, summarize meeting notes, or structure a product roadmap, all from a prompt. And the best part, it adapts to your voice and style. Last but not least, Taskade AI. If you're a content creator or team collaborator, Taskade is a game changer. Brainstorm, plan, and draft together in real time with AI support that builds as you go. Too many options? Let's make it easy. Solo creator, start with ClickUp AI or Taskade AI. Team leader, Zapier, and make scale beautifully. Want an all-in-one knowledge hub? Go with Notion AI. The goal, let AI automation do the heavy lifting while you focus on work that matters. It's 2025 and automation isn't the future, it's the present. With the right tools, workflow automation becomes your secret weapon, your silent partner. No more burnout, no more task overload. Just clean, efficient systems powered by AI workflow automation. Now you know the tools. The only question is, what will you build with them? If this helped, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. We've got more AI automation videos dropping every week. And hey, comment below which tool will you start with today. This is AI in action, and I'll see you in the next one.